just beginning to start thinking that this trip was going just a little bit too smoothly. Oh boy. My name is Claire and this is my best friend Justin. We just spent 2 heavenly days in Khao Sok National Park, hiking, kayaking, and enjoying the incredible sounds and tastes of the jungle. Even though we're wishing we could spend one more day here, we're looking forward to visiting Krabi, where we'll be soaking in the beach life for a couple of days. The plan is to drive 2 hours back to Khao Sok town to meet up with Tina and Matt, where we'll have a few hours to rest and work. Then we have a 3-hour van ride to Ao Nam Mao Pier, where we'll catch a short boat ride to our hotel, Railay Great View Resort and Spa. Unfortunately, this day has a couple of tricks up its sleeve. Alright, I think we have everything. We're here at Tina and Matt's hotel to get our bags, and then we're gonna sit and wait. We have 3 hours until we leave for Krabi. So we're gonna find a place with Wi-Fi.
Hi, beautiful baby. Hello, beautiful baby. Hello, gorgeous kitty. You're so gorgeous. I'm gonna be so pretty, huh?
I can't get up. I'm a little tired. So here's my current project. I have a bunch of memory cards from the drone that I need to offload and back up, and then I have all of my different cameras, and then this GoPro also has a bunch of footage on it. So we're gonna be doing this for the next like 2 hours, 3 hours or so. We're doing a cheers. We're at the Khao Sok Rainforest Resort, which is where Tina and Matt stay. The internet is like gigabit internet, so I'm doing really good backups, and Thai tea for the win. We're all packed up, ready to go. 3-hour drive to Krabi now. This is absolutely necessary. I just passed a woman on a motorcycle who is breastfeeding a child while riding a motorcycle. Women are superhuman. So Justin just discovered that we're going away from where we're headed. We've been driving for over an hour in the wrong direction to pick somebody else up. We now have a full van and can finally go to Krabi. 2 hours later.
2 hours and 20 minutes left.
Yeah, 2 hours and 20 minutes left. We've been on the road for about 2 hours.
Let's see.
We're stretching our legs. Justin, do you know how far we are from Krabi?
Still got over an hour.
Over an hour still? This van seats 10, sort of. All of our bags are back here in the corner, all piled up next to me. It's a little intense. So we dropped off a couple of people. We're 4 hours in and we're more than 20 minutes away from where we need to be. And Justin just said we're driving away from Krabi. Again.
Yes, bus stop Ao Nang, no Ao Nam Mao, no zone,
But that's what we asked them to know.
no hotel. Bus stop Ao Nang.
Oh good. So this bus doesn't go where we're supposed to go. Good. Great.
Ao Nam Mao Pier. Not Railay Beach.
Stop Ao Nam Mao, no zone.
You can take us there?
Yes, no zone, no all zone.
Alright, I guess let's get out and figure it out.
We have completed a 2-hour drive that took 4.5 hours, except we didn't complete it because this bus doesn't go where we're supposed to go. So trying to figure out what our best route is to do here. So we did a Just Grab taxi because the Just Grab app works again. And we're gonna take the taxi, hopefully, to where we wanna go. We're crossing the road again? Why are we crossing the road again?
The driver turned around also.
The taxi driver went past us and now is asking us to walk down to the pier. So we're gonna walk down to the pier and hopefully not get murdered. All right, well, this van looks familiar.
The private boat 800 baht.
800?
For 4 people, you pay 200 baht each, living now.
What's that, double the normal cost?
I think the hotel said 600.
But now we're waiting about 1.5 hours or 2 hours, but nobody coming.
So it's 100 each if we want to wait for 4 other people, or 200 if they'll take us all now for the whole boat. The hotel said 600.
The boat, we pay 800 baht.
Okay.
So-
Okay, 800.
So is it 600 or 800? I'm confused.
It's 800.
Okay.
Because it's wait for 8 people, so we just might as well.
Yeah. We have our boat ticket, and it costs 100 baht per person if we have a full boat. But since it's so late, it's unlikely that we will fill a boat. So we are paying 200 bahts per person to have a private boat take us to the hotel. Paid double what we were planning. Okay. Smells like fish. Now we're just trying to get the longboat out of here. It's kind of stuck or something. I mean, it looks stuck. We are currently doing a 9-point turn to get out of this dock. This is the spot where we were parked, but there's boats absolutely everywhere. They literally had to scoot 2 boats out of the way to make room for us to get through. Oh God, we're gonna get in a boat crash, help! Oh my goodness! Well, that wasn't a very exciting crash. I have to admit, this is kind of hilarious. There's nothing like a boat ride at night, let me tell ya. All right, we made it out to the pier. We didn't break any boats. We're alive for now. Please, 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 please have this be our hotel. This is our hotel, yeah. This is our hotel? Oh, we did it! We made it! So we're taking off our shoes. How you doing, Tina?
That hurts. How are you like yelling? Really hurts. I told you.
So just when I was thinking, you know what? This trip is going really smoothly. Yeah. Welcome tea after a pretty incredible evening. What is this flavor?
I don't know. Like a sweet tea.
How odd. It's good though. This day is really testing us. In order to check into the hotel, you have to have your departure card from immigration, which is a tiny slip of paper that I've never had to keep ever when traveling. And they didn't tell us at the border that we needed to keep it, but in order to check into the hotel, you have to have it. And Justin could not find his. It took him almost like 10 minutes of digging before he found his. So we have all the departure cards. It looks like we'll be able to get to the hotel. I'm tired. We made it. We're here. And we're just discussing how I was so uncomfortable on the bus. And Justin, why were you uncomfortable on the bus? Because I thought I was just being a diva. Like,
Well, we were in the back, so it was less space for our knees. And
Yeah.
then I had a big, huge bump on the side.
No.
So that's why my leg was sort of up the whole time,
Oh,
because there wasn't
seriously?
any like leg
I
room.
didn't know. That was where the wheel is, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, good. So he had
So I was
his,
like, oh, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, fine. But it ended up being almost 5 hours.
it was almost a 5-hour
So the hotel
shuttle ride.
that our friends were staying at, I told them it was going to be probably 3 hours, so they'd lied to them. But we made it, and the hotel's beautiful.
The hotel's gorgeous.
And the ride here was kind of fun, so.
Yeah, that was kind of exciting, let's be real. We're gonna go eat dinner now. Everybody's all standing, but I sat, and now I don't want to get back up. So this is the walk to somewhere from our hotel, which is also somewhere. Railay East is where we're going to find food. We found some place that has food. Here, I'll go here. If you get bored at dinner, you can get a tattoo. No, I'm just gonna take a small bite of my fourth pad thai of this trip. I could eat pad thai every day until I die and be happy about it. It tastes like sweeter, but has some spice to it as well, and somehow feels cheaper. The noodles feel a little like plasticky, but it tastes fantastic. We have fried bananas that get dipped. Oh, they're fresh. They are hot. Wow, they're really hot. Oh, hot. I told you it's hot. It's really hot. It's hot. Just don't burn yourself. How's it? Dessert for dinner? Let's go. Dip it in honey. Oh, really good. This is our second time having mango sticky rice. Looks gorgeous.
I met a friend. Hello, friend. I like you, friend. It's nice to meet you. My name's Claire. What's your name, friend? Is your name friend? Well, it's nice to meet you, friend. Okay, bye.
It's a very different kind of place than where we just were.
Can we go back to Khao